The Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are designed to push the wheels and tires out. These metal components increase the track weight. A wider track improves the stability and handling. It gives your car a more aggressive and robust appearance. When choosing the best Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers, size is a key factor. The car tire size you need will depend on the car's model, your personal preference, and design modifications. Many Honda Civic Type R upgrade to aftermarket wheels, which can result in offset issue. By installing high-quality wheel spacers, you can achieve wider track width, achieves a sportier and more dynamic look by pushing the wheels out to align with the fender, improves stability and reduce body roll for enhanced cornering performance. Better brake clearance. Some aftermarket brake kits require extra clearance, which spacers provide effortlessly. Improved handling. A wider stance results in better weight distribution and improved steering response. When selecting good wheel spacer, it's critical to choose a brand that prioritizes safety, durability, and precision engineering. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and TÜV testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability.
If you found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.